Hi everybody, it's Shaz from Super Oily Mom again, and it is a brand new month. But my Essential Rewards order came in today, so I'm going to do an unboxing video for you guys, just like I've done in the past. So let's see what I got. I'm super excited. This was free, I'll put it aside for now. I ordered the Ningxia Nitro. Ningxia Nitro. And this supports cognitive fitness. I don't know what that means, but we're going to try it out. Mineral and vitamin dietary supplement. And the Ningxia Nitro, I got Ningxia Red last month and I super like it. And I've been having 2 ounces daily. And it came in those like wine bottles, if you guys remember. And then it came in the little packet pouches. But these come in little tubes. So you just take a tube and you suck it up. And it's a dietary supplement, so super excited to try these. Oh, Thieves Household Cleaner. These are the sample sachets, which I got for people that signed up with me through Young Living before they revamped the starter kit. The starter kit is brand new, y'all. It now comes with a Desert Mist Diffuser, which is super gorgeous. But it also comes with a Thieves Household Cleaner sample. So I'll show you what these are. This Thieves Household Cleaner is super good. Like, I have been using it since February and I absolutely love it. But it's just a little packet. Cut it up, pour it in the glass bottle, and there's different recipes on the back. So if you're cleaning glass or certain things, you can look on the back and see what you can mix it with for a glass cleaner. But the Thieves Household Cleaner has been a great asset to our home. It's a plant-based cleaner. What else can I tell you about it? It's, yeah, plant-based cleaner. Ultra concentrated, so a little bit goes a super long way. So, this is, oh, Thieves Foaming Hand Soap. And I ordered a pack of, there's got to be one more because I swear these come in 3s. Yes, a pack of 3. So one for each of our bathrooms. But I'm going to have to order more because I'm going to need it for, like, the kitchen, to wash your hands at the kitchen and stuff, other places. So yes, Thieves Foaming Hand Soap. I am gonna use these, and it also came with the little hand pumps. There's 3 of these in there too also, and I got the 3-pack. And again, I've been loving Thieves, so everything Thieves I want to try. I think I might be addicted to it a little bit. Oh, okay, this is a free item. I was gonna try to throw the free items back in, but this is Allerzyme. I haven't researched this yet, but this is a freebie that I got for hitting a certain PV for the March promos. Every month there's promos with the Essential Rewards order, and you get a different product if you hit that certain amount. So Allerzyme, I hope I'm saying that right, is a vegetarian enzyme complex that promotes normal digestion. So it must be for your GI tract. Oh, this is so good, you guys. Kid Sense Lotion. This one, I thought it was the one with lavender that I ordered, but I guess maybe not. Shea butter, vitamin E, aloe, and pure essential oils for kids. Moisturizes and softens skin. I didn't smell the Thieves hand soap, but you know what? I have the Thieves Household Cleaner, and I have the Thieves oil and the dish soap. That smells good, actually. That smells really good. So definitely going to try this on the kids this month. See if we can get some of their desert dry skin moisturized a little better, because we do live in a desert. What am I getting? Oh, deodorant. This is what started all this Young Living. I got to tell you guys a story about this, okay? My oldest is 15 right now. But last year, I gave him a hug or something, and he stunk really bad. Like, so I said, hey, why don't you wear some deodorant? And he's like, because there's aluminum in the deodorant. And I was like, no, there's not. And he's like, yes, there is, Mom. Have you ever read the label of our deodorant? So I went upstairs, and I got the deodorant, and I read the label. And, yeah, there was aluminum in it. He was right. So last month, when I was doing my Essential Rewards order, I sat him down and I said, I want you to pick a deodorant to try. He's like, really? I said, yeah, just pick one and you'll try it. And then if you don't like that one, we'll try another one next month. So he got the AromaGuard Metal Mist Deodorant from Young Living. If it smells yummy, like everything else. That does smell good. Oh my gosh, I'm going to have to order one for myself. It has kind of a masculine scent to it though, like afterwards. Maybe I'll order a different one. But yeah, that smells good. This is going to smell way better than what his natural body odor smells like, I'm sure. Oh, this is a good one. This I got for me. And I'm not sharing this. Rose ointment. So, I got super dry hands because I washed my hands a gazillion times. This is to soothe and deeply hydrate skin. Oh my gosh, you guys. I wish there was like a smell thing on the computer where you guys could smell this. Oh, it smells so good. I'm gonna love this. Yeah, it's... that smells amazing, y'all. That smells good. Again, this one I got for myself, rose ointment. This is gonna be my jam. I know it. I'm gonna love that. Alright, what do I have left to open? I don't know what this big thing is, but okay, we'll see. I got big rose, and I got little rose. These are like the fun parts. I love this part. We can get rid of that box because this is everything in it. Alright, we'll start with the big one. Only because I don't know what it could be. Ooh! Ooh, I'm excited. I think I know what they don't have for me. I think because there was a slip in the box that said that something was on back order. So, mineral sunscreen, y'all. I don't know why I keep saying that because I'm not even from the South. But mineral sunscreen lotion. So this sunscreen will be great for the kids. I think I have to shake it. I think the oil kind of separated. But that smells so good, you guys. That smells amazing. My hands were so dry. Look at that. The oil just like is shiny. So I think I have to mix it. Let me see. Because I would think it'd be more like a consistency of a lotion. That was just oil that came out. Shake it up. Shake, shake. I know. I'm like alone in my craft room / office. So I can get goofy. Oh yeah, there it is. It's like a thick lotion right now. So I'll keep shaking it and working it. But that smells so good, y'all. I might not go out in the sun because I hardly do, as you can tell. You may not know, but I am from Hawaii. And when I do tan really nicely. But right now I'm kind of on the pale side of my skin tone, which is fine. But super excited to have this. The kids and us, we go to the lake, we go to the pool. We do a lot on the water in the summer. So last year we went to Hawaii for 2 weeks. This would have been great to have, but I didn't know about Young Living last year. So we're definitely going to try this and put this to the test and get back to you guys on how well that works. And then the other thing that I got was for me too. I got myself 2 items this month that I was super selfish about. Well, 3 if you count the nitro. But the mint satin face scrub. This thing, I've heard such great things about it, and they just redid it and reformulated it. Or maybe they just changed the packaging. Don't quote me on that. Oh my gosh, y'all. That smells amazing. There you can see the little, I don't know, I'm only using my cell phone to record this. You see that? I'm going to use this tonight. I am. I'm going to treat myself. But mint satin facial scrub. I was like, that's a tongue twister if you try to say it like a whole bunch of times. Alright, so that was the big tube. That's what was in it. Now let's move on to our little tubes. Alright, let's see what's in here. These. This one I got for free, y'all. Basil, 5 ml bottle of Basil Vitality. And this was a free promo from Young Living for hitting a certain PB. Oh wow, that smells like just like basil. Maybe because it's pure. That is basil for sure. It smells really cool. It's kind of refreshing, but I don't know what I would use it for. I know I can use it in my cooking. We'll see. Perfect. I was worried this one wasn't going to make it. Joy is completely out as of like a couple nights ago. This is the Kid Sense Sleepy Ease. And this, my daughter Joy loves to use. She'll diffuse it, she'll apply it, whatever, before bed. She loves that. She even will come in and say, Mom, did you set up my diffuser? We have been loving this oil, and my girls are out of it. So I'm glad we got a new one because they ran out a couple days ago. I don't know if I need to order it every month, but we'll see. Oh, it's a big one. Oh, fennel. Okay, this was a free one too. I didn't order this. This was free. Fennel. Why is it blurry? Sorry, I'm trying to get it to clear out. And it's a 15 ml, and they gave this to me for free for hitting another PB. Oh, wow. It's kind of awakening, but it's different. You know, it's got like a very, what's the word? I don't want to say specific scent to it. Yes, we'll say specific, because that's what it is. Like, if I smelt it, I'd be like, that's fennel. Ooh, this one, I was so upset. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have been out of this for 2 weeks, okay? I don't know how I let myself run out of this one, but I did, and I'm so glad it's here. Lavender. And I went with the 15 ml bottle this time because I ain't running out of this stuff again. And if they would have sold a bigger bottle, I would have got it because we love lavender. We diffuse it, we apply it. Lavender is such an amazing oil. I absolutely love it. I didn't smell the fennel either. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy it's here. I'm going to use this. I might go diffuse this right now after I record this video. I'm going to put some lavender in my diffuser because I missed that scent. It's been a couple weeks. Oh, please be my... Raven! Yes! So, I got RC in my starter kit. And then in March, they switched the kit and they put Raven. They switched out RC for Raven because of the seed to seal promise. There was some problems that they were having with fires and sourcing of the Raven mix. So, I'm sorry, the RC mix. So I went ahead and got a 15 ml bottle of Raven. And I've never used Raven before. And it's the hard bottle to open, like the one that Panaway comes in. Ah, I got it. Oh. You know, it smells kind of like RC, but it has like a sweeter scent to it. So I'm glad that I have this because I am completely out of RC. Completely out of it. Super sad. Alright. We'll see what's in here. I'm hoping it's something. Tea tree oil. I have heard so many great things about tea tree and I've never used it. So I'm super excited to get it for free this month by hitting a certain PV. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is going to change my life, you all. This is a life-changing tea tree oil right here for free from Young Living. Isn't that crazy? They just give you free stuff. I love them. They're so nice. I love free things. Let me see if I can get this one out. Please be my stress away. Please be my stress away. Ugh. It won't come out, you guys, and I need it now because I know what it is. I remember this one because it's the only oil that I'm out of that I haven't been able to replace. Yes, it is what I thought it was. Stress away. This is my favorite oil, far past any other oil. This is my jam right here, stress away. And I was completely out for like 2.5 weeks, you guys. And I got the 15 ml bottle. Well, I shouldn't say I was completely out because I have it in a roller and I use the roller all the time. So I keep it in my pocket at work. I just carry it in my purse. It goes everywhere with me. But I am so happy to have a 15 ml bottle because I can't diffuse the roller. I mean, I could have took it apart and diffused it, but I love to diffuse it. Oh my gosh, it smells like vacation in a bottle, you guys. Stress Away and me, I love it. And you know what? They have Stress Away bath bombs. I'm gonna have to order some next month because I love the lavender bath bombs that I got for free. But if I could, I would bathe in Stress Away. And guess what? I can because they make the Stress Away bath bomb. This was free too with the promo. It's a little bag of balls. Not that kind of balls. Dryer balls. So they're made of wool and there's 4 of them total. So what you do is you just add a few drops of your oil on it and throw this in the dryer with your clothes when you're drying. It doesn't have a scent because I just got in the groove of smelling everything because it doesn't have a scent because you have to add the oil. So you just add a few drops of whatever. A lot of people say they like purification in their dryer, which I have. I'll have to do it. But yes. So dryer sheets can have some chemicals in them and stuff, and you wear your clothes and your skin is very the biggest organ of your body. So why not swap out dryer sheets for dryer balls with the drops of your favorite, I'm gonna put Stress Away on these when I dry my clothes, with your favorite oils, right? I mean, they don't smell. Why do I keep smelling them? And it's 4 balls in a bag, and it came in this cute little what do you call this? I'm just gonna call it a bag. I don't know what it is, but with a cute little rope tie thing. But yeah, super excited to try it. I will do a review on those. I'm gonna try, and I need to try the Thieves Laundry Soap. I've heard great things about the Thieves Laundry Soap, so maybe I'll get that next month. But that is my Essential Rewards order. So for free, just a recap: Young Living dryer balls, Allerzyme, I hope I'm saying that right, Allerzyme, a dietary supplement. I got Basil Vitality, means I can use this one to cook. And it smells really good, you guys. It smells like basil, like a really concentrated basil. I got fennel, which is kind of woodsy to me, but it has a really distinctive scent. And I got tea tree oil, which is amazing for your skin. So definitely excited to try these new free products and to try some of my favorites that I had to reorder and some new ones also. So thank you all for watching. Hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you guys later.